Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This 21-foot boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. It's a great outboard option. Got a nice ski tow bar there in the back that goes over the engine. As you can see, this boat has a nice walk-through, so you never have to step foot on the upholstery. It's got dual captain chairs, both have flip-up bolsters. It's a Fusion sound system, storage under every seat. There's a cooler under the bench seat there, and under this seat is a nice fully insulated cooler with a drain at the bottom. We have snap in and out flooring. In the bow, nice spacious area. Again, more Fusion speakers. Got cup holders below so they're out of the way. And here at the helm, again, another nice comfortable captain chair, flip up bolster. This is considered to be our appearance package. So what you get in addition is a lot more upholstery on the sides, more backrests, more just more design, more stitching, and all that. Again, this boat is available here at Rogers, Minnesota at MarineMax. Stop by and check it out.